You have seen this before, maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe someone opened it in front of you and started typing numbers and formulas, and suddenly the screen looked like a foreign language. Most people who use Excel, and that is where billion people worldwide, only use about 5% of what it can actually do. The other 5%, it sits there untouched every single day. This month, I'm going to that 95% from scratch in 30 days on camera. And by the end of this video, I think you would want to come with me. Most people think Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is, but that description is like saying a smartphone is a phone. Technically accurate, completely misses the point. Excel is a data engine, a business intelligence tool, a financial modeling system, an automation platform, a dashboard builder, a reporting machine. In the hands of someone who actually knows how to use it, Excel can replace an entire team of analysts. It can build tools that run businesses. It can answer questions that would take weeks to answer manually in seconds. And right now, it's sitting on over a billion computers around the world, most of them barely scratching the surface of what it can do. I want to change that, at least for myself and hopefully for you. Let me give you some numbers. Microsoft Excel has over 1.1 billion users worldwide. That is roughly 1 in every 7 people on the planet. 750 million people open Excel on a given day. More people use Excel daily than use Instagram. In a survey of corporate job postings, 48% of roles explicitly listed Excel as a required skill, not preferred, required. Excel consistently ranks in the top 3 most requested skills across every major job platform: LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor. In the areas of finance, marketing, operations, data administration, HR, and more. This is not a niche technical skill for accountants and analysts. This is one of the most widely used, most in-demand, most monetizable digital skills on the planet. And most people who have it do not really have it. They have the 5%. This month, I'm going for the rest. I want to be very honest about why Excel specifically for month 3. Last month, I learned DaVinci Resolve, one of the most visual, creative, cinematic tools I've ever touched. It was exciting. It was dramatic. So the kind of skill that looks impressive immediately. Excel is different. Excel is not glamorous. Nobody watches someone build a spreadsheet and thinks that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. But here's what Excel does that DaVinci cannot. It tracks, it calculates, it analyzes, it makes sense of numbers, which is what every business, every freelancer, every creator, every person managing any kind of income actually needs. And this month, I'm going to learn it properly, not just the formula everybody knows. The dashboards, the pivot tables, the automation, the tools that turn raw data into actual insights. This is why month 3 is Excel. Now, here's why it should matter to you. Whoever you are watching this, Excel has something for you. If you're a student, Excel is on every graduate employer's list. Before you finish your degree, knowing Excel puts you ahead of the majority of your peers who only learn to use Word and PowerPoint. If you are employed, Excel is probably already in your organization. A person who can build a report in 10 minutes, that takes everyone 1,000 hours, gets noticed, gets promoted, gets trusted with more responsibilities. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, Excel is a financial brain, your income tracker, your client database, your pricing model, your cash flow forecast, all of it. Want. If you're a creator, Excel is how you track your channel analytics, plan your content calendar, monitor your income streams, and build a financial model that tells you when you can quit your day job. And if you are someone who just wants to understand your own money better, Excel is the most powerful personal finance tools ever built. A budget that actually updates, a savings tracker that shows you the real picture, a debt pick off calculator that tells you exactly when you will be free. One skill, 1 billion people, infinite applications, 30 days. This is the case for Excel. Here's what I want you to do differently this month. I do not want you to watch me learn Excel. I want you to learn alongside me. So here's a month 3 challenge. Whatever your current Excel level is, complete beginner, occasional user, someone who has been meaning to get better at it for years, pick one problem in your life that Excel could solve. One thing, a budget you've been meaning to track, a business you need to organize, a goal you want to monitor, something real. Email me 30dayskill@gmail.com. I'll put address on the screen now and in the description below. With 3 things: your name, your country, and one thing you want Excel to do for you in 30 days. I'll read every single email personally. And on day 30, I want you to send me what you built. The best ones go to the month's video. I'm also building something for you this month. A free Excel starter kit, a formula cheat sheet, and a budget template you can actually use. Built from everything I learned across the 30 days. Everyone who submits the challenge gets it first. More details on that as the month develops. But for now, send the email. Tell me where you're starting. Let's find out together what 30 days of honest Excel practice actually produces. New skill every month, new videos every week. If you're new here, this is the 30-day skill. Subscribe so you don't miss what happens next. Month 3 starts today. Let's go.